Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can use the chat feature inside your ClickUp account to communicate and to share text messages with your team members and coworkers. So let us jump right into it. It is very simple, guys. So what you want to do is head over to clickup.com and select your workspace in the top left corner. So let me go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. And basically, guys, to initiate a new chat, all you will need to do, guys, is pay attention to that tab list here in the top right corner and select this symbol or icon here, create a chat. However, guys, if you don't see that symbol, don't worry, you may enable that and pin it here to that bar by simply clicking on these 9 dots here to access your quick action menu. And here you will see the chat feature. So if it hasn't been pinned yet, simply click on that pin button in the top right corner to pin it, to pin the chat feature to your top bar here. So to start a new chat, simply click on this, and after that you'll be redirected to that window here. So here you may assign, for example, a location for your chat, like a workspace or specific team space inside your workspace, and after that give your chat a name. So let me name it, for example, chat number 3. Enter your text message below, like yo guys, what's up, or something like that. So that's basically it. Let me add also a question mark. And once that's done, guys, you may start, for example, mentioning team members so that these may be addressed in your text message and be notified of the incoming text message or chat. So to do that, simply click on that button here, or simply use the add button or icon or symbol on your keyboard and choose the team member from your list you would like to address. So let me go with that one, and let me also mention myself. And that's basically it. After that, the mentioned or addressed team members will be notified of the chat and invited to it to reply to these text messages. What you want to do after that, guys, as well as, for example, add emojis by clicking on that button here. You may, for example, choose one or more of these emojis inside the ClickUp library. As you can see, they feature quite a lot of these emojis and categories like emoticon, activity, food, travel, and so on and so forth. Or you may set the entire chat on private by switching the private feature here on in the bottom left corner. And that's basically it, guys. Once we have done that, simply click on create chat here, and that is going to initiate the chat. So guys, you may, for example, reply to the given message directly here. However, if you'd like to access your chats, guys, what you want to do is simply open the left sidebar if you don't see it, or if it is hidden, simply click on that button in the top left, open sidebar, or use the shortcut Ctrl/ or reverse / for that. And here under spaces, you will see a section called everything. So click on it to get a better overview of all initiated so far chats, like chat 1, chat 2, chat 3. You will see all chats listed here you have had so far. So guys, to reply to messages or to reply to chats you have been invited to, simply use that text box here at the bottom by typing in your message here. You may, for example, also mention someone by using that button here. You may attach files like PDFs or instructions. You may record video clips. You may record audio clips by using these buttons here, send emojis, and so on and so forth. And once that's done, guys, simply confirm by clicking on send here in the bottom right to send your text message, or directly reply to one of these messages by clicking on this button here. And that's how it works in practice, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.